Welcoming a new life is a truly extraordinary experience. It's a time filled with joy, discovery, and of course a few sleepless nights. As your baby grows, they become curious about everything around them, including the wonderful world of flavors. Starting solids is a big milestone for a baby, a time when they transition from breast milk or formula to a whole universe of tastes. This ebook is your guide on this exciting culinary adventure. With 100 nutritious and delicious recipes, it will accompany your baby's growth. The journey of food discovery begins with a single bite. Each spoonful is a chance for your baby to encounter new tastes and textures. Preparing baby food at home is not just about nourishing your child, it's about creating a unique bond with them. Be patient, enjoy the laughs, and of course a few messy faces. Between the smiles and the little messes, you'll be creating precious memories and laying the foundation for healthy eating habits from a young age. So let's embark on this culinary adventure together. With a little creativity and a lot of love, you can provide your baby with the nutrients they need to grow and cultivate a lifelong love of healthy eating. Before we dive into the world of purees and textures for your baby, let's go over some ground rules for starting solids. Generally, pediatricians recommend starting solids around 6 months of age, but every child develops at their own pace. So it's essential to consult with your pediatrician for personalized guidance based on your child's specific needs. When your baby is ready to start solids, begin with single ingredient purees, introducing one new food every 2 to 3 days. This will allow you to carefully monitor for any signs of allergies or food sensitivities. Start with a smooth, runny texture, and as your baby gets used to swallowing, gradually increase the thickness. Patience is key at this stage. Some babies embrace new foods with open mouths, while others need a little more time to warm up to them. Don't be discouraged if your baby refuses a particular food. With patience and by offering the food in different ways, they will eventually come around. As your baby gains confidence in eating, introduce small pieces of soft foods that they can pick up and bring to their mouth on their own. This encourages self-feeding and helps develop their fine motor skills. Vegetables are a vital part of a healthy diet, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber for your little one. Introducing a variety of vegetables from an early age not only expands your baby's palate, but also sets the stage for healthy eating habits for life. Start with mild-flavored vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and squash, and gradually introduce stronger flavored ones like spinach, broccoli, and peas. These veggies can be steamed, roasted, or boiled until tender, then pured or mashed to the desired consistency. For added sweetness and nutritional value, you can add breast milk or formula or simply water. As your baby grows, experiment with herbs and mild spices like cinnamon, cumin, and fennel to enhance the flavor. The key is variety. Have fun experimenting with different combinations and cooking methods to tantalize your baby's taste buds. Fruits are nature's candy, bursting with natural sweetness and a burst of flavors that are sure to tantalize your baby's taste buds. From the mild and familiar bananas and apples to the tropical sweetness of mango or the tangy zest of berries, fruits are a delicious way to introduce your baby to the world of flavors. When introducing fruits, start with mild options that are easy to mash or puree, like bananas, avocados, and pears. As your baby's taste buds develop, you can introduce more exotic fruits like mango, papaya, and kiwi. Fruits can be enjoyed fresh, steamed, or roasted to enhance their natural sweetness. Avoid adding sugar or honey to fruit purees. Babies don't need added sugars in their diet. Let the natural sweetness of fruit shine through. When introducing new fruits, do it one at a time, carefully watching for any signs of allergic reactions. With a little creativity and a dash of sweetness, you can create a fruity feast that your baby will love. Protein is essential for your baby's growth and development, providing the building blocks for healthy muscles, bones, and tissues. As your baby transitions to solid foods, it's crucial to gradually introduce protein-rich foods to support their rapid growth. Lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu are all excellent sources of protein that can be easily incorporated into your baby's diet. When introducing meat, poultry, or fish, make sure it's cooked thoroughly and pureed or finely minced to prevent any choking hazards. Beans and lentils are great sources of plant-based protein and can be cooked until tender, then pureed or mashed. Tofu is a versatile protein source that can be added to smoothies, mashed or mixed with vegetables. Start with small amounts of protein-rich foods and gradually increase the portions as your baby grows. Welcome to the exciting world of making homemade baby food. Not only are you providing your little one with nutritious and delicious meals, but you're also creating precious memories in the kitchen. As you navigate the world of purees, compotes and finger foods for your little one, here are some helpful tips and tricks to make your journey even smoother and more enjoyable. Properly storing homemade baby food is key to preserving its freshness and nutritional value. Once cooled, purees and compotes can be transferred into airtight containers or ice cube trays and stored in the freezer for up to 3 months. To thaw, simply leave them in the refrigerator overnight or reheat them in a saucepan over low heat, stirring occasionally. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors and textures. As your baby's palate develops, introduce a variety of herbs and spices to create new and exciting flavor profiles. You can also adjust the consistency of purees by adjusting the amount of liquid added. More liquid for a smoother texture or less liquid for a thicker one. Remember, the most important thing is to make mealtime an enjoyable and happy experience for both you and your baby. So relax, have fun, and cherish this unique culinary journey as you nourish your little one's body and curious mind.